Okay, chicos. So if you already saw the mini grammar lesson, good job. That's great. But this part of the lesson is the part that's really important to me, because this is the part of the lesson where you're going to be hearing 100% Spanish. And I've told you guys before that the most important thing in learning a new language is how much you hear it, right? It really has nothing to do with how smart you are or any of that jazz. It's just a question of how often you hear it and how observant you are in using your context clues, and in the amount of repetition that you get. Okay, so we're going to do this the way that we did it in class. I am going to be speaking in the first person as if I am Miguel. Okay, so I'm not Miss G anymore. I am Miguel. Okay, I'm going to be asking you guys a lot of questions. The questions are going to come in 3 forms. We have yes or no questions. Okay, we have either or questions, and I'll do this to show you that you have 2 options. And I'm going to also ask interrogative word questions, so like who, what, when, where, etc. Okay, these questions are going to be repetitive, and they're going to be repetitive on purpose, because remember, to get big Spanish muscles, we need lots of reps, right? So I know some of you guys at this point are like, oh my god, Miss G, yes, we know. ¿Cómo te llamas means what is your name. Me llamo Miguel means my name is Miguel. I know you guys know, right? But until Spanish feels as natural to you as English, until you are having dreams in Spanish, you need more reps. You need more practice, right? I have a whole degree in Spanish, and I've been studying Spanish for like almost 10 years now. I have lived in a Spanish-speaking country. I've traveled a lot. I've worked in Spanish my whole adult life. I still need more practice. Okay? You can never have enough practice. So be patient with yourself. Be patient with me. And you're gonna get it. There's no way around it. It's inevitable that you will get good at this language. I promise. Okay? As I'm asking you the questions, it would be pretty smart of you to answer out loud, right? As best you can. Even if it's like a 1-word answer, try to answer in Spanish. If you have to answer in English, that's okay. At least you're understanding what I'm saying, right? But try to go for even simple 1-word answers in Spanish. There's no pressure, right? You might be home alone in your room. No pressure. No pressure. Just sort of taking in the language and getting used to communicating in the language. Okay, and then I'm also going to follow up, once I'm done speaking as Miguel, I'm going to ask you a question that we learned last class, which is y tú, and that means and you. So, I'm asking you to answer for yourself now, whatever the question is, okay? That's it. We ready? Muy bien. Okay.